we have learned about the type of incidents, isolation of immediate hazards, and the different forms of immediate medical assistance. Now let's proceed to learn about how to conduct WSH incident investigation together with WSH incident investigation team in accordance with organization procedures. The WSH incident investigation team is composed of 9 key members. These members include the supervisor or manager of the casualties and the supervisor of the area of incident, the WSH officer, the technical specialists, also known as subject matter experts of both agents and the machines. The equipment and processes involved are essential. The WSH committee members form a large part of the investigation team as well. The last few members are quite possibly the most important members. They are the in-house occupational nurses, designated workplace doctors, and first aiders. How many members should be involved in an investigation team? Let's find out. The composition and even the size of the investigation team tend to be based on a few things. These things include: first, the magnitude of the injury or damage. Second, the potential for injury or damage. Third, the potential for repetition. The fourth thing that the team depends on are the persons or groups involved in their work. Another factor to consider are legal requirements and also the size and magnitude of the incident. For example, if the magnitude of the incident is on a larger scale, one might consider employing a professional investigation agent. A WSH incident investigation warrants several steps. You should be well acquainted with how to go about conducting it. Step 1. Identify all sources of evidence found at the scene. Step 2. Take photographs and videos for record keeping of the scene. Step 3. Take note of the time and weather condition changes that may deviate from the original hour of the incident. Step 4. Take relevant physical measurements of the machinery parts and things involved in the incident. Step 5. Seize the equipment and collect material samples found at the scene for further laboratory tests. Step 6. Draw sketches of the site layout plan. Step 7. Identify material or equipment that may have been damaged during the incident. Step 8. Identify possible sources of hazards from the telltale signs at the scene. Step 9. Interview the witnesses and injured people at the site of the incident. The last step is to review the documentary evidence available to you. If you follow these 10 steps of conducting a WSH incident investigation, your investigation and information is bound to be accurate. The WSHO, or the supervisor appointed, who is in charge of coordinating, should set up the following procedures. He or she should notify the WSH incident investigation team and even conduct the WSH investigation whenever possible. Once that is done, he or she should put up the WSH incident investigation reports and implement incident follow-up actions if necessary. Time for a learning activity. This will aid your understanding of the concepts we have learned. Task 1. Craft the procedure of arranging for medical assistance such as first aiders, first aid box, calling for an ambulance, etc., and write it down in a flow chart format. Task 2. Draw up an organizational chart showing the formation of an incident investigation team investigating the incident. This is my flowchart. What does yours look like? This is my chart for task 2. What does yours look like?